Question four: as the co-chair for the SFVC, what challenges have you seen since you have been elected? What Mr. Seminoff had talked about is he discussed their work with the SFVC and they analyzed the current framework and they adopted the 2024 Shape America standards and it was approved in January. These standards, once again, are being used very often nationwide in a lot of these things. They've adopted these standards, which have improved a lot of the issues. Question five: with Donald Trump restoring the presidential fitness test and presidential physical fitness plan awards to public schools, are you planning on carrying that out? And if so, how do you plan to do that? And if there's anything you don't agree with, the main issues that he had saw were that um, that a lot of the state these fitness assessments remain optional. There's a lack of defined protocols. So, for example, with a plank, you could be on the forearms or you could be on your hands. Or like a curl, there's different variations of your shoulders up and coming down. There's no standardized pieces with that. So that is something they are looking and working to correct. As far as the actual implementation, he can teach some of those things as far as the fitness plans. There's also another individual that he works with. The last question: you were involved with the Shape America program. Can you talk a little bit more about your involvement with that program? With the president fitness test being implemented, does this create any conflict with the Shape America program? If so, how are you navigating the conflicts? I inappropriately asked that question, or I should have reworded that question. He's not necessarily quote unquote involved with the Shape America program. He's adopted a lot of those things. With that being said, there's a lot of limitations on the fitness gram, which is the thing that they are using, um, because there is no change with the disabilities or individuals with disabilities. Um, so they don't have to do the Donald Trump presidential fitness plan. However, they are using things like the fitness gram, and that is a big thing that they are using to help carry out the training they are doing. In conclusion, I thought this was an extremely helpful. It was an extremely helpful interview, extremely helpful answers to my questions. He had asked them ahead of time, which was great because he knew the exact answers right away. My biggest fault was I did not actually save and record the video, which is a big problem of mine. However, this will help guide a lot of things in the future. So this is great. Thank you.